good morning. It's bloody red hot today. Oh, it's gonna be red hot today. It's 8:30 now. I don't even know. I've got my top off already. I'm sweating. I've only put mixer up and stuff. It's on my head. I only put mixer up, fixed the hose pipe, got my bloody top off. So it's gonna be a warm one. So Tom's just said, job and knock. What do you guys call it? Job and knock? Knob and Josh? Job and knob? Just get done and go home. What do you call it? But yeah, we're laying this front path today, both of them. I've got a feeling it'll be two flags short. Just got a little feeling about it, really annoying. But we've got deliveries coming for his AstroTurf. We've ordered his AstroTurf, which is coming on Friday. Or we're picking it up on Friday. Probably won't come till Monday. And then, yeah, we're having Thursday off, so tomorrow we're busy sorting AstroTurf out and sleepers. Bloody blah, blah, blah. Loads to do. Gotta crack on. Catch you soon. I'm gonna be 100 mil off of your wall. Yeah. Measure that. I think it's might be 110 plus your finger as well. Yeah. 120. No. 120, and then it's got a finger width all the way down there. Just at the bottom it kinks in. 120. Got enough sand? No, we've got some sand coming that way, but it's a river in it, but what's that saying? You there? Yeah, second line. That's fine. Second line's fine. Right, so I've done that door. He's added extra on because it was just a path before and we were just replacing light for light, but now he's added this side and obviously a little sliver. But I haven't got far to go now. I'm saying, it's a proper mess out front here. I'm putting all this in right nice. It's just still a mess. But over here, we chucked this plastic here as well because of the delivery. There's only like 4 or 5 flags here. One flag. What, even all them 6 on the side? What, 6 there? Not really. Yeah, it's like not everything, is it?
That's gone. Probably sticking on it.
Yeah, maybe a silicone again, won't it? We'll get up to it and do it.
Really, you need two more knives.
Can you use 6 and a 3 anywhere?
No, just
You know what I mean? Please, can you just stop singing? Front path finishes it once all this crap's gone. Looks smart, that will look smart. Just hope no takeaway to come tonight or delivery guys. But over here, sorry, I've just got aircon on van, it's absolutely red hot. We've just done that leading to the gate. Nice little cut there, bit of a ramp, but it's fine. So it's got a bit of a ramp, comes down on an angle, but then also curves the other way as well. So I end up with a bit of a twist in it. You'll find when you use 2x2 flags on new builds, you'll see it all the time. They split them in half so that they peek over. But with it being a little bit like that, there's just lines everywhere. So you know when you put your resin in. So obviously the lines on that are like finger width, 10mm. So yeah, so we don't bother, we just end up giving him a little bit of a ramp up really. It's a bit crappy really, for the front of the house as well, it's a bit crappy. But yeah, right, I'm off to go play 9 holes now. Go stress out on golf course once again. See you morning, have a good one.